So, today on the first episode of Walk the Talk with Nature, we have Saumrendra Barik with us. Hi Saumya, how are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
Describe your experience till now in one word.
Serene.
Serene. What
Yeah.
does serene mean to you?
Serene means like, you're just walking down the road or probably walking up the road and it's just this warm and pleasant air that's just hitting you constantly and you're just thinking about life like life's cool, life's lit. That's serene for me.
And you're on this trip with?
With my love, Shweta.
And how did you come up with the idea of coming here?
Basically, it was just like a little getaway that we wanted from Delhi because obviously with Delhi, what it is like, right? And
Yeah.
so we just decided to come here, probably because it was a little cooler here. And my God, this has been like a real find for me. Honestly, this is a very small city. This has been like a real find for me so far.
What did you have for food today?
Do not ask me that. This was this amazing thing that I've had. This was this cafe. I've heard a lot about it ever since I've come to Kasauli, and so this is called Cafe Rudra, and I tried their Mexican omelette. Okay, so this was really good. It's loaded with cheese. It's yum. It's yum. Honestly, you gotta try it to know it. It's yum.
And who recommended Rudra Cafe to you?
My love, Shweta.
What are your plans for the evening today?
I don't know, just like walk around, roam around. So we're going to this daily needs shop. There's like the oldest shop in Kasauli. We have their like world famous, I'd like to say, because I had it even yesterday. It was amazing. And everyone who comes to Kasauli, I'd recommend the chicken salami sandwich. It's amazing. It's fulfilling and it's amazing.
What does chicken salami comprise of?
I don't know. It's a lot of things. It's just a burst of flavors. I don't know. It's just amazing. I'm not like a best food critique here, but it's amazing.
Did you have something to drink?
Yes, I'll again tell to everyone who comes to Himachal, you got to try the pride of Himachal, as they like to call. It's mint cheese. It's like when you take even little sip of that, it's like real fruits bursting inside your mouth. So it's really amazing. I had the mint cheese mango one. It was really good. It has a strong aftertaste of mango as well. You feel like you're eating a mango.
What has your journey been so far? In the sense, like,
It's been wonderful. It's been wonderful, and I'd like to come here again and again. It's just been wonderful.
Inside story, Saumrendra Barik, we got to hear that you are using a lot of local transport here, and you are actually behaving like a co-traveler. What is the secret?
Yeah, so basically, when you come out on trips, and also because we're not having great jobs as of now, so yeah, we're just looking toward the economy part of the trip as well, along with enjoying the trip. So we're staying in this hotel that's not really in Kasauli. It's like, say, around 3 to 4 kilometers away from Kasauli. So to reach Kasauli, you need to reach a place called Kimu Ghat, okay? And our hotel, even from Kimu Ghat, it's around like 2 kilometers away. So I have contacted the person who is the caretaker of a hotel. His name is Deepak basically. And Deepak has been really good because every day in the morning and every evening when we come back and when we leave in the morning, Deepak on his bike is with me and Shweta. So we just triple around all the hills, come down to Kimu Ghat and then take a cab or a bus, whatever, to reach Kasauli finally. And then again, we go back the same way. So it's been really good. Just like a normal day in office for us.
A home away from home?
A home away from home, exactly.
And is the ride scary?
It kinda is, I'd say.
Do you plan to come to Kasauli again?
I'd love to. I'd love to come with Shweta though.
Thinking of the fact that Kasauli is a really small town and it has hardly anything to do, what exactly attracted you the most?
You don't really need anything to be there around you. It's just the weather. It's the wind that's hitting you constantly on your face. It's just the trees. It's just the atmosphere here. And you gotta come here to know this. Because this is one heck of a place. And I would definitely recommend this place to anyone who wants a little getaway from their hectic schedules anytime in their life. This place is totally worth your time.
Thank you, Soumya. Thank you for joining us.
See you. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.
Bye. And there he goes.